Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. You need to begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Now tap on Face section. Tap on Agree in Statement of Use pop-up and enter your current login method. Following that, hit Continue, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then tap on Done. Now you can adjust all of those options however you wish to by tapping on the switchers next to chosen features. Finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!